Alright, so we're gonna do something different. We're gonna watch The Biggest Fan. This is a Sonic Boom reaction. Uh, I was playing Fortnite Ranked because I want this ranked back bling. I'll show a picture of it. And I'm in Bronze 3, and it's making me go insane. So I need something to calm my nerves. And there will be no footage because copyright sucks. I did this with the Ruby anime, which I don't know if I'm gonna continue that because it's kind of mid. The Ruby anime is kind of bad, in my opinion. But I don't know. I was either thinking about this one, The Biggest Fan, or the 3 Men and a Baby episode. I was gonna watch that one because that episode's kind of mid. And it's not really that good of an episode. It's cliche, let's take care of a baby trope. Cuphead did that. I might do a reaction to that one. I don't know. But if you guys like this, I'll do more Sonic Boom. Sonic is in Fortnite, so I might as well. 3, 2, 1, now. Let's play the episode. Oh, never mind. I can't play it because I have to... Oh, there we go. Why'd you skip the intro? It's like 5 seconds long. Man, I was gonna watch this anyway because I think it's funny. I'm sorry if you can't hear the other that well because my TV's literally like 20%. The show's just kind of quiet, so I'm just gonna try and be quiet. I like this guy. Great. Also, I'm in a very smiley, giggly mood for some reason. I don't know. I woke up at 3 p.m. and it's like almost 11 p.m. So I'm gonna laugh at stupid stuff because I'm like out of it. Oh no! He's got pimples all over his face too. He's got the Sonic shirt. Oh jeez. How much dialogue in this show is improvised? Because it's genuinely really funny. Okay, that noise is annoying. I also have a tendency to lick my lips for some reason. It's really bad. What a weirdo. I'm thinking about pausing these episodes just in case the copyright does hit. I'm gonna turn this up. I cannot hear it. Knuckles is my favorite because he's the red one. Wow. What the? What a weirdo. Is this supposed to be that Sonic guy who's like really creepy online? I forgot his name. I'll throw it up on screen once I finish looking it up. It's totally that guy. It's totally supposed to be that one dude. It'd be kind of cool to voice Sonic, actually.
I'll take it care of, boss. Mark, I got a feeling this is the start of a wonderful assistantship.
Don't you say that. You're gonna regret that. Dude, I hate the fact that I'm... Licking your lips is so annoying. I gotta stop. I just hate when they dry up.
It's almost done. I just gotta finish the arms. Okay, you got this, Jeff. Just need to replenish those electrolytes.
What about me? Do I get electrolytes? Pretty sure I should have electrolytes.
Now, as for strategy,
Sonic Boom Sonic would have been so sick in Fortnite.
focus your attacks on the mech's vulnerable hamstrings.
Nice.
My vulnerable hamstrings.
Great.
Couldn't have done it without you. Yeah.
I don't got no Sonic shirts, but I got a Toy Story shirt.
Sir are an artist with your
I guess that's close enough.
Hey Sonic, we got tickets to see Captain Garbage 3, Secret of the Garbage. Wanna go in?
You're supposed to answer all the questions from Captain Garbage 2. Finally, I'm in.
That sounds very lame.
Interview you tonight for your memoirs.
Do it another time.
But we should at least finalize the cover. They can go on ahead. I'll give you a lift after we're done.
I'll meet you guys at the theater. You know, we've been spending a lot of time together. You take the rest of the day off.
No way. I want to spend all my time with you. And I know just how to do it.
Oh shoot. Oh no, it's like that movie. It's not Obsession. Which one was that? I think it was by Stephen King.
We were in a terrible accident that wasn't intentional because it was an accident.
Somebody
I'm nursing you back to health.
somebody like breaks some guy's legs and like basically this crap happens.
Shouldn't I see a doctor?
Oh, aren't
What
we
movie is that?
Maybe some pie will sweeten your mood.
I know SML did a parody of it.
Here comes the pie.
I can't remember the name of the movie.
Who would have thought the secret of the garbage was love?
I can't believe Sonic missed it. And he's not answering his communicator. Maybe Mark knows where he is.
Let's act out my Sonic fan fiction. I'll pick something family friendly.
No. What?
Oh, here we go. I'll play the role of Sonic. You can be Tails.
Did he just say? What? I'm going back. What did he just say? I want to see if I heard that right. Did he say family friendly?
Maybe Mark knows where he is.
Let's act out my Sonic fan fiction. I'll pick something family friendly.
And he says no and no again.
Here we go. I'll play the role of Sonic. You can be Tails.
There ain't.
Wouldn't it make more sense if I was Sonic?
Quiet, Tails! Look, it's Eggman. I shall sunder his evil plans with swift alacrity.
I'd never say that.
No, you wouldn't, Tails. Oh, my pies are done.
This is totally supposed to be that one Sonic fan who's like really creepy towards people.
What was that? The last picture always faces northeast. This is facing north-northeast. You tried to escape.
Escape? No. I was just searching for more of that fan fiction of yours. Ooh, Sunami. Spicy.
Yeah, I don't really care for that, but it seems to be obligatory in the genre.
The fact that that's real fan fiction is just
Did not
really weird.
have to eat it off one of my collectible plates.
Hey, but collectible plates aren't food safe. They are food safe.
If you guys want more Sonic Boom, I'm down to do more.
I don't know. Call it a hunch. Do you know where Sonic is?
Sonic. Blue guy runs fast. Nope, haven't seen him. Nope,
Rip.
that's my Sonic muffled scream oven timer. Gotta go.
We gotta get into that cabin.
Oh shoot, dude, my man freaking Dead by Daylighted the the cabin. Like the trapper.
What's going on?
Quiet, Tails! You were all injured by a cleverly designed booby trap that I had nothing to do with. But don't
Is this guy
worry,
going to jail?
I'm here to take care of you now. Ooh, more pie for my new friends!
Sorry for not trusting you about Mark. We need to take him out.
I hate the glare on my video. I'm looking at it right now. It's really annoying.
There's only one of him and 4 of us.
I don't want to do this because, like, it's really... You can't see my full face. My man got bandages on his tails. The fact that this show lasts for 2 seasons, I wish it lasted, like, more.
Oh no! My fragile broken. Wait a minute. My legs are fine. No, come on. No.
Aura.
You always overdo it with the sports tape.
I can't believe I'm being defeated by Sonic the Hedgehog. This is the greatest day of my life!
Mark, if it's not already clear, you're fired.
Man, that was a nightmare.
At least I learned to keep a healthy relationship with my fans.
Can I have your autograph, mister?
Great. I like that. Also, why are the credits showing Dr. Eggman? He wasn't even in that episode. That's Sonic Boom. I don't know how fun that was. It was mainly more of a, hey, I kind of want to watch an episode. I might as well do a video on it. If you guys want more, I'll do it. Ooh, Sonic X? Sonic Prime. I heard Sonic Prime is so good. I might do a reaction on that. I want to do a reaction to the Cuphead show, too. But this is like a little test to see if other stuff will work. Didn't really care for the Ruby anime, but you know what? I'm open to trying more stuff. Maybe I'll do Walking Dead because I still haven't finished Walking Dead. I want to try Wednesday too. I don't know. I just kind of want to try like a lot of different shows and stuff. I've already watched all of Squid Game. There's like no point to watching that again. But if anyone has any reaction ideas, just let me know and I'll do it. There's like so much stuff on Netflix. I'm gonna end up watching a lot of stuff anyway. And if you guys like this, like and just subscribe and stuff. I don't know why I said it that way, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll really bad with outros, so I'll just end the video. See you guys next time.